Guys, today I wanna make grilled chicken. I need chicken, and I have here onion, bay leaves, and garlic. I also need to use Sprite, tomato sauce, dark soy sauce, and Campbell chili, and of course oyster sauce. And then I also need pepper. Okay, so let's start. Put garlic, put everything, all of this. Time. Soy sauce, it depends on you guys, because I just pour, you see I don't use measuring. And also I'm gonna put some sugar bits, brown sugar, but later on. Ketchup, chili, Campbell sauce, let's see, Sprite, you see almost half a bowl of the sauce inside. Look at that. Wow, this is gonna be awesome and so yummy. You can make this sauce to use to barbecue if you like, but here don't have a place to make a barbecue, so I just gonna grill it or else air fryer. I put Sprite. It depends on you, Put more of that. It's look awesome, right? Gonna next the chicken that I cut. Just marinate it. It is better to marinate overnight, but suddenly I decided to cook this, so that's why tonight I'm gonna cook this. Now it's only 3:15 p.m. so just marinate a few hours. This is nice, so it's very nice and delicious. But you don't cook it too well, otherwise the meat will be hardened and very difficult to chew. Now it's very full, not very full, almost. You can keep this in the fridge after that. Oh yeah, I forgot to put sugar. I still need to add some sugar with it. Okay, I think 1.5 of this is more than enough because the Sprite is already sweet. There you go. Then just leave it. It will melt. It will dissolve the sugar later on, So it's okay. Later you put it in the fridge. After a while you come back to stir it again to see if the sugar melted. It dissolved, not melt. Sorry. Correction my English. I'm just trying to speak English because not only Filipino are watching my videos, so I have to try my best to speak English. I'm not that so perfect, but I apologize if I say something wrong that is not really good. Apologize for that. later on I'm gonna come back for this to mix it again to see the sugar with the melt inside. I'm gonna stir it again about few minutes. Yes, and then I would like to say thank you for now for watching my videos, and hope you subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you so much.